Welcome back to Motormasters, your trusted cockpit into the world of next-gen war machines, military engineering, and power-packed vehicles that are shaping the future battlefield. If you're passionate about aircraft that don't just fly, but dominate the skies, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going deep into the mysterious and ambitious defense initiative from Pakistan, Project AZM, the nation's first attempt at building an indigenous fifth-generation stealth fighter jet. The word AZM translates to resolve or commitment in Urdu, and this project is exactly that. Pakistan's strategic commitment to enter the elite club of nations with fifth-generation fighter aircraft. Launched under the umbrella of the Pakistan Air Force and its Research and Development Wing, the initiative was officially announced around 2017. But like most advanced military programs, much of its development remains classified. Still, what we do know is that Project AZM could change Pakistan's air power trajectory forever. At its core, Project AZM aims to develop a next-generation air superiority fighter, complete with stealth, advanced avionics, internal weapon bays, supercruise capabilities, and electronic warfare dominance. It's not just about matching global powerhouses. It's about establishing self-reliance and modernizing air capabilities in the face of evolving threats and regional dynamics. Pakistan's current air fleet, while robust, still depends on aircraft developed in collaboration with other countries, most notably China, as seen with the JF-17 Thunder. Project AZM, however, is about going fully indigenous. This would mean that Pakistan would be developing the aircraft design, onboard systems, radar, engines, and weapons, or at least aiming to integrate them domestically or with minimal foreign dependency. The development is being spearheaded by the Aviation Research, Indigenization and Development, AvRID wing of the Pakistan Air Force, and includes support from Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, and potentially academic institutions like Air University in Islamabad. The involvement of the civilian, academic, and private sectors marks a significant shift, the creation of a true defense industrial ecosystem in Pakistan. While visuals and full specifications of the jet remain unreleased, analysts speculate that the Project AZM fighter will follow a single-seat, twin-engine configuration, similar to platforms like the Chinese J-20 or Turkish TF-X. This setup allows for enhanced thrust, survivability, and multirole capability, all while integrating internal weapon bays to maintain stealth. And yes, stealth is a major component of the AZM concept. Stealth isn't just about hiding from radar, it's about shaping the airframe, using radar-absorbent materials, minimizing heat signature, and even managing electromagnetic emissions. For a country that's never built such a jet before, this would be a massive leap in technical capability. But it's a leap Pakistan seems determined to take. The radar system envisioned for the AZM fighter is expected to be AESA, active, electronically scanned array, similar to those used in 5th-gen platforms around the world. An AESA radar would provide long-range tracking, better multi-target engagement, resistance to jamming, and compatibility with modern BVR, beyond visual range missiles. A must for any aircraft hoping to survive future air combat. When it comes to armament, Project AZM is expected to incorporate Pakistan's growing arsenal of precision weapons and air-to-air missiles, possibly including the long-range PL-15 or even indigenously developed BVR missiles. With internal weapon bays, the aircraft can maintain a stealth profile while carrying deadly payloads, something crucial in today's contested airspace. Another major area of focus is electronic warfare and data fusion. The AZM platform is expected to operate not just as a fighter, but as a node in a broader network-centric warfare system. This means the aircraft will likely be able to communicate in real time with drones, satellites, and ground command centers, sharing targeting data, tracking threats, and coordinating missions without being detected. Supercruise, the ability to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, is also speculated to be a feature of the AZM platform. If achieved, this would put the aircraft in elite company, allowing it to strike or disengage quickly without giving off significant infrared signatures. The timeline for Project AZM is still fluid. Initial design concepts and R&D have reportedly been underway for several years. Some officials suggested that a flying prototype could be expected around 2028, but in the world of fighter jet development, delays are the norm. Building a fifth-generation aircraft from scratch is a highly complex, expensive, and multi-decade process. Even nations with advanced aerospace industries like South Korea and Turkey are still working toward their full fifth-gen capability. Still, for Pakistan, Project AZM isn't just about a single fighter jet. It's about building the foundation for a national aerospace and defense industry, one that can produce UAVs, sensors, jet engines, avionics, and potentially even space and satellite systems down the road. Of course, such an ambitious project faces real challenges: technological, financial, and geopolitical. Jet engines, for example, remain one of the most difficult systems to build indigenously. Radar-absorbing coatings, stealth shaping, and advanced materials all require extensive research, precision manufacturing, and billions of dollars in investment. But if successful, Project AZM could place Pakistan among a very small group of nations with full-spectrum air combat capability, from training aircraft to fifth-generation fighters. As regional air power continues to grow, with India pursuing the AMCA, Turkey working on the TF-X, and China flying the J-20, Pakistan's Project AZM signals that it's not standing still. It's planning, investing, and working toward a future where it's no longer dependent on foreign platforms for air superiority. Thanks for watching Motor Masters, where military tech meets tomorrow. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Pakistan's Project AZM, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What do you think the future holds for this ambitious program? Will it succeed? Will we see it fly by 2030? Let us know. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more deep dives into the world's most advanced combat platforms, from stealth jets to robotics, tanks. Because we don't just follow firepower, we follow the future of warfare.